Welcome friends. Now we are going to see about how to create Google Classrooms questions. For that you have to click Google Chrome first. On that we are having Google Apps. On that apps you have to select Google Classroom there. Google Classroom is opening. For that first you have to create class. And then accept these conditions and then continue. For this required for creating a class we have to give class name, section, subject, and then room, and then click create. The class is creating now. See, the class is created, BCA has. And then you have to, the class code will be displayed there. This class code will be shared to the students. Next, click the classwork. On that you have to click create and then select question. The question window will be opened. You have to type a question there. And then multiple choice or short answer will be available. You have to select any one of that. You have to give some instruction to the students, means we can give it here. And then this will be displayed to all students. We have to click all. And then for that question, how many points we want to reward, we have to give it there. And then due date, we have to select the date and time for that question. Select the topic, create a topic there, name of the, you have to give a name to the topic there. If the students want to edit their answer, means we have to click that student edit answer. And then here is some create. If you want to include some documents or slide sheets, forms, drawings like that, we have to create and include with that question. If you want to add this question through Google Drive, link, file, YouTube, we can add it through this. And then we can ask the question. The question is asking here. The question, whatever the question we have typed, that should be displayed here. In the people tab, we have to invite the students through their mail IDs. We have to give the mail ID of that student and click invite. If you need one more, we are inviting the students. If you need one more mail ID, we can give it and invite the students here. The questions will be seen on that inbox of that mail IDs, respective mail IDs here. See the question that is displayed here. We have to click the question here and we are going to join with that classroom. Click join to join in the classroom. Click join now. Now in that the question will be displayed. We have to click the classwork, and then we have to view our work. The question will be displayed there. Click view question. On that right side you are having your answers to be typed there. For that question we are going to type an answer, and then click turn in. If you want to edit that answer means we can edit that answer there. If you don't need means we can click turning, and then you can give some commands. Here we have typed the answer, and then go to people tab. On that people tab we can view as teacher and student are separated. On that view the student, to view the answer whatever he had typed, we had to view that answer there. Click view details. The answer will be viewed here. We have to give the marks for that question, and then click return, and then return. You can give some comments and then click return. The answer will be displayed there. The marks will be returned there. In the mail ID of our inbox, whatever the mark we had rewarded, that can be displayed there. We have to click that mail. The marks will be rewarded, will be displayed, and then click open. Click open to view our marks, and then whatever answer we had typed we have to view there. The marks and the answer we are viewing here.